Go get that porter. Go get that porter. Good job. Good job. You can do it. You can do it. There you go. Good job. Oh, no. Daddy, help me. Oh, there you go. Go get that Presley. You get that Presley? Say beep beep. I'm so proud of you. Good job. Where are you going to go now? Do you need some help turning around? Say, Daddy, come help me.
You want to turn back around, Austin? Here we go. There you go.
There you go. And he's off. I don't think Presley and Porter know what to do about you up and walking. I think they're confused.
Hey. Yeah?
There's a little person walking in our house. That's so cool.
There you go. There you go. Good. Take a step. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. You're good. You got it.
Hey, Austin.
You had enough walking? That was a lot of walking you did.
Austin, can you say hi? Oh, you're still going.
I don't think he knows how to stop.
Can you say hi? Can you say hi to everybody? No, I can't hi and walk at the same time. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye?